Hello everyone, and today I have made a thingamajig. It's falling to bits because I went for a really long stroll and the sweat has melted the hot glue off of the chainmail that was underneath here. But we don't need that anyway because who cares about safety? It's got a switch, you turn it on, you turn it off, and then unfortunately the thumb went missing because long walk, but it's a zappy glove. It's like a regular glove, but it's a zappy glove with a cool crystal that's wrapped in copper wire. It runs on 3 AAAs and it has a USB recharger. I've also got a backup 3.7 volt LiPo just to maintain good amperage, and we've got a huge big capacitor bank of 420 to 400 volt capacitors with a microfarad value that I do not know. It runs on a fly swatter recharger. You just flick this switch and it goes whoosh, and if you've got really good ears you can hear it going whoosh, and it does that for ages. But depending on how big a spark you want, it's just sort of how long you leave it on. You go ahead here, we've got 2 outputs. One is just raw, that's just the raw output, and then one discharges through this quartz crystal inductor, which is for special things, which I shall not discuss. The main electrode plate over here is made of spring steel from a headphone set. The tip of here is just duct tape, sort of all hot glued together last minute at 3 in the morning. And the main frame of it is just a used duct tape roll covered in aluminium foil, grounding the device to my arm. We also have a full bridge rectifier here which converts the AC on this fly swatter transformer to DC before it runs through a flashback diode into this capacitor bank. Why I made this, I don't know. I just sort of got the bug. You know how sometimes you just gotta make something? Well, for me that was 3 in the morning 2 days ago was when I made this. It's sort of broken now and I lost a few parts on it. It has a few secret safety features for disabling it so that no one can use it but me. If you did electrical engineering then you'll probably be able to figure it out. It's a zippy zappy glove. It's lots of fun, not really that dangerous unless I modify it and make it dangerous. I've deliberately left it quite passive. Just a fun little project, very cool. I may as well take it off and do one last little overview. So this glove comes off, connected by these 2 wires, so the glove can just sort of hang down when you're not using it. Allows you to sort of do stuff while you're not using it. You can use it as a spot welder if you want, if you can be bothered letting it charge that long. You can just USB recharge it, so you don't have to worry about like replacing the batteries or anything. Although you can just replace the batteries if you want a quicker charge replacement. We take this off. This is pretty much what it looks like. It's got a slip knot on here which just tightens the device, so if anyone tries to rip it from your hands, the glove will just sort of come off, which is kind of useless without the main thing. And it'll just tighten, it'll get tighter and tighter around your wrist, but it will snap before it actually reaches the necessary force to rip your hand off, so you don't have to worry about that. It only fits my size hand, so if your hand is too big, sorry, but it's not going to fit. If you've got a smaller hand, it still probably will fit. It'll just be a little bit loose and you have to slide it further up your arm. Here's what it looks like. Pretty basic, pretty fun. Subscribe if you like this sort of thing. Leave a like maybe, or not. I don't really care. Have an excellent day. Goodbye. Oh, also, just gotta love this satisfying little blinky LED. Isn't it ominous? So ominous. You could use this as a spot welder if you wanted to. Like a very small job spot welder. If you let it charge for long enough. You can also, I don't know, you could use it as an empath device. I'm just saying that because of auto caption reasons. But yeah, that's it, and thanks for watching. Goodbye.